Did you know that some ants use chemical signals to create a living GPS? These tiny creatures release pheromones to mark trails, guiding their fellow ants to food sources with precision. It's like a scent-based map that updates in real time. When an ant finds a tasty treat, it leaves a pheromone trail on its way back to the colony. Other ants follow this trail, reinforcing it with their own pheromones, creating a bustling highway of ant traffic. This chemical communication is so efficient that it can even adapt to obstacles, rerouting the path as needed. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating stories.